Hey everybody, Brent Willet, Iowa Healthcare Association, here for a quick CEO update. I'm going to talk about 5 things I think you need to know and then get out of here. I know how busy your day is. The first, as you know, we had an election recently. If you haven't been living under a rock, you probably know that. Our quick assessment at the association is that if you place the results in really kind of 7 buckets, gubernatorial results, the control of the Senate, control of the House, and then our 4 congressional districts, the association performed results fairly well in at least 6, maybe all 7 of those results. So we feel very good, full steam ahead on all of our legislative priorities, and not a lot changes, fortunately, as it relates to our 2019 legislative strategy. Speaking of 2019, you're going to start hearing a lot more about 2019 legislative strategy when it comes to rebase. We have major rebase requests ahead of us, so we will be calling on each of you to be engaging with your legislators, and particularly your new legislators. There are a number of new faces and freshmen out there, to familiarize them with the sector and what our lack of funding issues are in the place. So those are the headline issues moving into the legislative session. You'll hear a lot more about that from us moving forward. On the education front, I just want to make sure you're well aware of the Winter Quarterly Conference. It's going to be awesome. December 12th. Special guest Mark Parkinson, CEO of the American Healthcare Association, will kick us off that morning with a keynote address. We have nursing facility, assisted living, and home health tracks for Winter Quarterly. You're not going to want to miss this, particularly for nursing facilities and home healths. We're going to start the process of education on the new payment systems coming in 2019, PDPM for skilled nursing and PDGM for home health. And plenty of programming on the AL side as well. So do not miss that. Make sure you're registering early. Managed care. As you know, we have a new managed care organization coming into the sector in 2019. Iowa Total Care will be coming into the state effective July 1. We have been in fairly regular communication with their leadership. They're beginning to staff up here in Iowa, and we'll begin the process, we believe, fairly shortly of beginning to engage with you as they begin their enrollment process. So plan to see them. I think you can plan to see them at districts. I think you can probably plan to see them at some of our education events, and we're certainly going to be lending as much assistance as we can to our members as they work through that new enrollment process. Our priority at the association is to make sure that you have all the right information and make the right decisions and comply with what's coming at you when it comes to this issue. If you have any questions on managed care or reimbursement for that matter, make sure you're reaching out to Brandon Hagan on our staff. On the quality side, quick reminder, the Quality Awards program application window is starting to close. I know it doesn't seem like it's that far off, but January, I have to look at this, the deadline January 15th for that Quality Awards program. Make sure that you're aware of that, and we hope that you're planning on a Quality Awards application. We had a preparation workshop a couple of weeks ago here at the association. So we know of at least 23 of you who are preparing silver applications this year. 8 of you are preparing gold applications this year, and more than that are preparing for bronze as well. So another really strong year. Make sure that you're working with us. Let us work for you. There are also a number of resources available on the IHCA website as you prepare for that process. We will also be doing an award preparation, another preparation program coming up on October 16th. If you haven't registered for that, reach out to Mary Jane Carruthers as soon as you can. Final note, our executive committee approved a new strategic plan and budget. Our board will be finalizing that in December. We're really excited to begin to roll this out. We rolled out our mission, vision, and values at our annual convention, which was a fantastic event, and we're looking forward to sharing with you our 3-year vision for the association. Look for that tail end of December, early part of January as we begin implementation. So just a quick update, wanted to say hello. Wanted to make sure you're accessing all the resources that we provide here at the association, and we're looking forward to closing out what's been a very strong year and entering into a very busy 2019. Thanks everybody.